Welcome to the Database Solution Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to configure the word merge template and sync records from the database. Let's get started. On your screen, choose the table you want to work with. In this example, we'll use the Employee table. Click the Employee tab, then open Table Configuration. Make sure you're logged in with an administrator account, as this section is only accessible to admins. Next, click the Templates tab that aligns with the other tabs. From here, you can manage multiple templates. Click the Word Merge tab, then click the Add New Record button to add a new template. A pop-up will appear, showing a list of data fields you can insert into your Word document template. You'll also notice a special symbol included with each field. These symbols are used to pull data from the database into the template. Let me show you how. Open Microsoft Word on your device and create a new file. Then, go back to the TDB site and copy the fields from the pop-up. Now, paste the fields into the Word file and make any adjustments if needed. You can remove any fields you don't need and improve readability by adding labels, so it's clear which database record each field refers to. When everything is set, save the file to your preferred location. After that, let's upload the template. Click Choose File button and select the file from your device and hit the Save button to upload. As you can see, the word merge template we just uploaded now appears in the word merge template list. Now, let's use the template in a button. Go to Table Configuration. Add or update the button field. In the Action drop-down, select Word Merge. Choose the template, and for Sent To, select Print. Tick the PDF option. For After Action, set it to stay on the page. Then, click the Save button. Now, go back to the table summary page and select the records you want to print. Click the Print button, then, a pop-up will appear displaying all the details from the Record Detail page. You can add a layout on your template and upload it to the database. And here's how the output looks like. And that's it! We have successfully set up the word merge template and upload it in system. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.